Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the phone stable and reachable. Plug it in or ensure battery is above 50% to prevent shutdown during transfer. Next, enable USB debugging so tools can access device storage, and turn on Vivo Cloud or local backup so data endpoints exist. Once done, decide whether you want cloud or local copy. Cloud offers remote safety, local is faster and offline. Now connect to Wi-Fi for cloud, or prepare a PC with ADB for a full phone image. You now perform the chosen backup. If using Vivo Cloud, open the app, pick contacts, messages, photos, and start backup now. This syncs to your account. If local, go to Backup and Restore, choose Internal or SD, select what to save, and run the backup. This writes files to storage. For forensic or full device needs, connect to a PC and run a DB backup all-F backup. So you capture app data and system state. During any transfer, monitor progress and keep the connection stable. You finish by verifying and securing the copy. Check the backup timestamp and open a few restored files or restore a small subset to confirm integrity. Then encrypt backups if the option exists and copy local backups to a PC or external drive for redundancy. If something goes wrong, try simple fixes first. Reboot the phone, swap the USB cable or port, clear backup app cache, then retry. If failures persist, switch methods, cloud versus ADB versus local, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.